What are you selling at your store today, Mila? What is that?
I like a monster.
Oh, you're like a monster. Oh, monster. Can you say something to the camera?
I cream and chocolate milk.
You have ice cream and chocolate milk that you're selling?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want... What kind of ice cream do you have?
Pink.
You have pink ice cream?
Bye-bye. After the house.
Can I have some green ice cream?
No more.
Can I have some blue ice cream?
No more.
Stick your head out the window.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.